Good morning. Previously we have solved few problems in using Boolean minimization, K-map, etc., tabulation method and so on. Now we will see few GET questions in the topic Boolean algebra. This is a previous year questions and I have written the year in which these questions are asked. Let us continue. Which one of the following gives the simplified sum of products, that is SOP expression for the Boolean function? So here the function is given as f is equal to, so this is the question, f is equal to m0 plus m2 plus m3 plus m5. So this is the question. Now what we have to do is, since it is sum of product, that is SOP, so we know how to write this. So f is equal to, that is here, and also they have mentioned where m0, m1, m2 and m3 are min terms. These are min terms. So already I said if it is SOP, it is called as min term corresponding to the inputs ABC. So we can write f of ABC and with A as the MSB. So if we are writing 0, 0, 0, and this should be A and this is C, and C as the LSB, that is most significant bit is A and the least significant bit is C, and these are the options given for the question. Now let us proceed. So f is equal to m0, m2, m3, m5. So in the question they have mentioned A, B, C. So we can use A, B, C. Inputs are A, B and C. So f of A, B, C, which is equal to, we can write this as summation m because it is min term. So we can represent this as summation m. So summation m, so this is 0, 2, 3, 5. So we can write like this, or also we can write this in the min term as, what is 0? A bar, B bar, C bar, because 0 is represented as 0, 0, 0. So we can write this as A bar, B bar, C bar. And for 2 it is 0, 1, 0. So we can write this as A bar, B, C bar. 3, 0, 1, 1. So this is A bar, B, C. And for 5 it is 4 plus 1, 5. So A, B bar, C. So that is what we are going to represent here. Plus A bar, B, C bar, plus A bar, B, C plus A, B bar, C. This is our f of A, B, C. Now what we have to do? We have to find the minimized expression. So simplified expression for this. And we know how to draw this K-map. So already we have seen how to draw the K-map. Now we have to draw that. So this is 3 variable K-map. Here we have A, B, C. This is A, B, C. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. And here we know the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And what are the numbers present here? 0, 2, then 3, 5. So these are the numbers present. Now we have to group this. Now form a groups. This is one group, and this one we can group this one with this one, corners, and this one is left alone. Now what is the answer for this? For this group, combine these two. This is A bar. So here we have A bar, and here this B, B bar cancels, so we have C bar, A bar, C bar. Then for this group, these two we have combined, so A bar, and here we have C bar cancels, B, and for this it is A, this is B bar, C. Therefore what is the answer for this? Y is equal to, that is f of A, B, C is equal to, what is the answer? A bar, C bar. Let us check where is the answer. A bar, C bar, then plus A bar, B. So here we have A bar, C bar plus A bar, B plus A, B bar, C. So option B, this is the correct answer for this solution. Now let us move on to the next problem. This is the second problem. Now let us see this. Yeah, it is visible. A function f of ABC defined by 3 Boolean variables. So they have defined by 3 Boolean variables A, B, C. So we have f of ABC. When expressed as sum of product, that is SOP or minterm, is given by f is equal to A bar B bar C bar plus A bar B C bar plus A B bar C bar, where this A bar B bar C bar are the complements of the respective variables. So these are the complements of the respective variables. What is a complement? That is, if it is A, then the complement of this is A bar. So that is what they have said. These are the complements of this respective variables. So their variables, that is A is the complement of A bar, B is the complement for B bar, and C is the complement for C bar. And the product of the sum POS. So what we have to find is, we have to find the product of the sum. So what they have given? So they have given f is equal to A bar B bar C bar plus A bar B C bar plus A B bar C bar. Now what we have to do? So we can represent this as f of ABC, because they have mentioned these three are the inputs, f of ABC, which is equal to summation m. Now write the numbers for this. This is 0, because 0 0 0 represents 0. Here it is 0 1 0. So this is 2, and here it is 1 0 0. So it is 0 to 4. Therefore, this is expressed in the term of SOP, sum of product. Now what is POS? So if it is POS, there are missing terms here. That is f of ABC, which is equal to pi capital M. So what are the numbers missing here? Since it is 3 bits, so the number starts from 0 0 to 1 1 1. Since it is 3 bits, 0 0 0, we have 3 bits, and we starting from 0 0 0 to 1 1 1, and the numbers present in SOP are 0 2 4. Now what are the numbers missing here? 1, then 3 5 6 7. So these are the terms missing here. So this is the required term for this POS. Now how can we represent this in terms of POS? So which is equal to, this A can be 1 can be represented as, now write A plus B plus C into, and here if it is 1, for here if it is SOP, what we will write? A B C, A bar B bar C for 1. Now what happens if it is POS? Here we have A plus B plus C bar, because 0 will be represented as C, 1 will be represented as C bar, and what is 3? Then write A plus B plus C. So the 2 plus 1 is 3. So we have to put B bar C bar. Then 5, A plus B plus C. So 4 plus 1 is 5. Then 6, A plus B plus C. So 4 plus 2, it is 6, into 7, A plus B plus C. So 4 5 6 7. So this is the representation of POS. Remember, you should not write this as it is. If you change this to the POS, what we will do is, mistake is A plus B plus C. So we will directly write the expression as A plus B plus C into, we will make the complement for this. Then A plus B bar plus C. So if you write like this, then you will think that this is the correct answer, but actually this is wrong. What we have to do is, we have to check this number, then we have to write the missing numbers, or else if we have 11 here, what we have to do? If we have more than 8 the numbers, then we have to check from 0 0 0 0 to 1 1 1 1, and we have to represent the missing numbers here to get the POS. Now what is the correct answer? So A plus B plus C bar. Here we have A plus B plus C bar. Then A plus B bar. This is a correct answer. A plus B bar plus C bar. A bar plus B plus C bar. A bar plus B bar plus C, and A bar plus B bar plus C bar. So this is how we have to change this sum of product to product of sum. Now let us move on to the next question. Following is the K map of Boolean function of 5 variables P, Q, R, S and X. The minimum sum of products expression for the function is, just what they have given is, this is a 5 variable K map, because it is 5 variable K map, and here it is X is equal to 0, X is equal to 1. Already we have seen the 5 variable K map. So if you want, you can see in another video I have uploaded there. So here we have P, Q, or S and X. So this K map is for X is equal to 0, and this K map is for X is equal to 1, and these are the options given for this problem. Now here we have 1 1 in the corner. If we have 1 1 here, then we can group these two. Likewise, here we have 1 1. Same way, if we have 1 1 here, we can group here. But it is not possible because we have zeros here. Now what we have to do is group these two. So group these two, and now write the answer for this. What is the answer for this? Here we have 0 1. So this cancels. So we have yes. And here we have P bar P. So this cancels. And here we have Q bar. Then we have x is equal to 0. So this K map is for x is equal to 0. Therefore, this is x bar q bar s. So that is x bar q bar s. So here we have one term. Now let us check in this K map. Here we have 1 1 and here we have 1 1. So we can group these two adjacent cells. Now what is the answer for this? Here it is R bar R cancels. So here we have S bar. Now check here. This is P bar P cancels. So here we have Q. Apart from that, we have x is equal to 1. So this is a map for x is equal to 1 and this is a map for x is equal to 0 because it is 5 variable. So what are the 5 variable? P, Q, R, S and X. So these two, we cannot group anything in this 2 because there is no ones together, because there is no one in the common place. So what we did is, this is one group and this is another group. Now let us check. Here we have only 2 answers. So that is f of, we don't have, so f is equal to, we can write this as q bar s x plus, here it is q s bar x. Now what is the answer? Q bar s x plus q s bar. So that is bar x bar. This is the answer for this problem. Now let us move on to the next problem. Fourth, the Boolean expression f of x, y, z is equal to x bar y z bar plus x y bar z bar plus x y z bar plus x y z. Now converted into canonical product of some form is. So this is converted into canonical product. We know what is canonical. So if it is canonical, it is standard form. If the terms are missing, then we have to multiply with that term. But here every terms are present, and just now we saw the same problem same method problem. So f of x, y, z is equal to, what is the given problem? X, y, z bar plus x, y bar, z bar plus x, y, z bar plus x, y, z. Now what is the numbers for this? We can write the numbers directly. So which is equal to summation m. Now what is this? This is 0, 1, 0. So it is 2. And here it is 1, 0, 0. So it is 4. And here it is 1, 1, 0. So it is 6. And here it is 1, 1, 1. So number is 7. This is SOP. That is sum of product. F of x, y, z is equal to summation m. Now what will be of POS? Therefore, POS will be equal to f of x, y, z is equal to. So instead of summation, we have to use cap pi. And for small m, we can use capital M, and here we have only numbers up to 7 and we have only 3 variables. If it is 4 variable, then we have to write from 0 to 15, but here we have only 3 variables. So starting from 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1. Now what are the numbers missing here? 0, 1, 2 is present, 3, 4 is present, 5, then 6, 7 is present. So this is the term for this canonical POS. Now we can write this by using the expression x, y, z is equal to. So we can represent 0 as a plus b plus, that is sorry, x plus y plus z, because we have used variable as x, y, z into. Now what is 1? X plus y plus z bar, because if you put 1 here, that will become 1. Then 3. X plus y plus z. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Then 5. X plus y plus z. 4 plus 1 is 5. Now check the answer here. That is x plus y plus z. So here we have x plus y plus z. Then x plus y plus z bar. So here we have x plus y plus z bar. Then x plus y bar plus z bar. Then x bar plus y bar plus z bar. So option A is the correct answer for this question. Now let us move on to the next problem. A function of, is it visible? Yeah. A function of Boolean variables x, y and z is expressed in terms of the minterms as f of x, y, z is equal to summation m 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Which one of the product of sums given below is equal to the function of f of x, y, z? So what they have said is, here we have x, y, z which is expressed in the minterms. So what we have to do? We have to convert this into product of sum. The same thing. So they have repeated the same question during 2015. And we have seen already during 2015 the same set 1 and set 2. We have two questions. So they have repeated the same question. So what is the answer for this? For fifth, we can write directly f of x, y, z which is equal to, since it is SOP, that is 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Now what is POS? Therefore POS which is equal to f of x, y, z which is equal to pi capital M. The numbers missing are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a term. Therefore we can write f of x, y, z which is equal to, so for 0 we can write this as x plus y plus z, that is x bar plus y bar plus z bar, into 3 x plus y plus z. So 2 plus 1 is 3 into x plus y plus z. So 4. So what is the answer here? X bar plus y bar plus z bar, then x bar plus y plus z, then x plus y bar plus z bar. This is the answer for this question. Now let us move on to the next question. See, the Boolean expression x plus y into x plus y bar plus xy bar plus x bar the whole bar simplifies into. So we have to simplify this expression. So what is the expression? F is equal to, let us take f is equal to x plus y into x plus y bar plus x y bar plus x bar the whole bar. Therefore we can write this as, just multiply this, x plus x y bar plus x y plus y y bar plus, here we have x y bar plus x bar the whole bar. Now what happens? So if we have 2x, we can write only 1x, and we know that y into y bar which is equal to 0. So plus x y bar plus x y, this will become 0, plus this x into y bar, we can use this De Morgan's theorem. So we can write this as x into, that is x, take this plus into multiplication. So we can write this as we can take this as x y bar. Let us change this into multiplication into x double bar. So we know that x double bar is equal to x. Therefore which is equal to, let us take x as common in this 3. So we can write 1 plus y bar plus y plus, here we have x y bar the whole bar into x, because this double bar will become x. So which is equal to, we know that 1 plus x is equal to, will be equal to x. So we can write only x, because this 1 plus, if we have 1 plus x, 1 plus y, 1 plus a, whatever it may be, that will become equal to 1. So x plus, here we have x y bar, isn't it? Now we can change this as x bar plus, take this y double bar, here we'll have y double bar into x. Therefore which is equal to x plus, here we have x bar plus this y double bar will become y into x. Now multiply this x plus x into x bar plus xy. So x into x bar will be equal to 0. Therefore which is equal to x plus xy. Therefore which is equal to, take this x as common, 1 plus y. Therefore which is equal to x into 1. So what is the answer? Which is equal to x. So what is the correct option? X. X is the correct option for this answer. So here's the Boolean expression. So we have to minimize the Boolean expression. So we must remember these rules. So that is a into a bar will be equal to 0, a double bar equal to a, 1 plus a will be equal to a. So the same thing. That's it. Then the next one. Consider the Boolean function f of wxyz is equal to wy plus xy plus w bar xyz plus w bar x bar y plus xz plus x bar y bar z bar. which one of the following is the complete set of essential prime implicants? Actually, you should know what is the essential prime implicant. So if it is essential prime implicant, then the number of a prime implicant in which any of one in one time will be grouped. Actually, if we have a group K-map, every one should be grouped at least once. Then that is called as essential prime implicant. Now I will show 1 minute. Let us do this K-map here. We have 4 variables. So let us take 4 variables. This is a 4 variable K-map. And here we have Wx, Yz. So Wx, Yz. And we know how to write this is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. And now, what is the term present here? So we have to, before solving this directly, what we have to do is, since the number is not in the canonical form or not in the standard form, so what we have to do, we have to change this in the canonical standard form. So already we have seen how to change this. So I'll write the answer directly, that is f of w x y z, which is equal to, so these are the numbers after canonical. Changing this to canonical form, we will get the numbers like this, that is 0, 2, 3, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15. So these are the numbers which we are going to get after changing this to canonical standard form. Consider the Boolean expression. The question is, consider the Boolean expression. So this is the expression. So which one of the following is a complete set of essential prime implicant? So what we have to do is, we cannot solve this by using K-map because it is in the non-standard form. So it is not in the canonical form. So what we have to do, we have to change this into standard form by multiplying the missing terms. So for example, if we have wy here, so we have wy, then terms missing here are, so we have wy. What are the terms missing here? X and z, x and z. So w x bar y plus w x y, then multiply this with z, w x bar y z bar plus w x bar y z. So like this we have to multiply with the missing literals. So missing literals, multiply and write the standard form. So after writing the standard form, you will get the expression like this. So I have written only the numbers in order to simplify this easily. So what are the numbers here? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now what we have to do, we have to represent the numbers in the K-map. 0, 2, 3, then 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, then 8, 10, 8, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15. Now what happens if you group this? We can group like this, isn't it? See here, this will be one group, and here we will have this as another group, and we can group this 4 corners. So we can group like this, isn't it? So these are 8 octet, and here we have 4 and this 4 corners. Now what is the answer for this? And for this everything gets cancelled, so here we have only y. Then so by seeing this we cannot find the answer because in every options we have y. Then the next one is, let us go to this group. Here we have x. Now compare this to 0, 1 cancel, so we have z. Now check, we have xz here, and we have xz here, and the final one is here. Check this too. So 0, 1 cancels, here we have x bar, and here we have 0, 1 cancel, so z bar, x bar, z bar. So what is the option? Therefore f of w x y z is equal to y comma x bar z bar comma xz. So D is the correct answer. Hope you understand this. If you like this, share, subscribe and support. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.